I'm telling you.
Fireman.
What I said now.
Tingori kumbare taure zviri kuitika.
Nice. You're gonna get my herbs and do drinking our alcohol.
Nekamdara kakudara. Kamdara yo, kamdara kakudara yo.
Zero makosi. Zero akrango. Anything. Anything.
Fonzo, mira side back.
This is the original brew. From the Mozambican people, the people who helped us in the liberation struggle. Now they're producing a nice brew, but everybody's saying it's killing people. People will die of AIDS. That's a disease, not this. This does not kill. That's a brew. That's the holiness of I stop the smell. It's just the power.
Chinanas, pineapple.
Chinanas,
Separating voice from men.
Don't go and see now. 50 years, you know, pay. When I did one, was I got you, man, you one. It's a unity beer, you see. But what do we do?
Headquarters Papa apinda baba. Come see the headquarters. HQ. I'm telling you. Headquarters kwacho. Clarks. No, the Clarks.
Headquarters HQ. Touring headquarters.
To buy something. No free viewing.
No free viewing. Headquarters. Headquarters, please. Headquarters. Yeah. HQ. Neugu, $5. You fresh. Wanna Maclaxa.
Finish. Finish. Finish.
Imari enda kupa isi. Imari isi vape 3. Just see a 2 by headquarters. Talk about 2. What 3 was that? Aywa, ndapa 3 ka. Aiwa, mnenda vape yosiya 2 panapo vopapa vanhu paheadquarters. Vakomana vari paheadquarters. Aiwa, ava munovapa 2 ava kule Jones. Ndo headquarters. Chicken dzakatopera. Vanhu paheadquarters.
The chickens are no longer
Clarks.
What do you know the G?
Clarks me prefer.
Clarks me prefer.
Mr. Shambari,
Right. How are you 5 a.m. We are doing this tomorrow.
Mupe yeyo. Awinza vanhu headquarters. Aiwa, iyeyo mupe yeyo isati 3 abate. Iyeyo uyo ane magrasi ndiye utenga. Auya ane magrasi iyeyo. Clarks you prefer kayo. Ndazobata isabhiya lako pasi. Isabhiya lako pasi. Ubate zvinhu zvako. Aiwa, ngaise bhiya lake pasi. Abate Clarks yake. Ngaise bhiya lake pasi. Clarks you prefer. Clarks. Red Beretta. Military. Masoja. Anosuka mangu masoja. Yeah. Zimbabwe. Yeah. Ndiyo Zimbabwe yacho. Pano sukwa munhu pano. Yeah. HQ. Wapiwa kangacho. No, my members are here
Of the Clarks family, you know what I'm saying? That's where
we relax and feel nice. I'll try it for Tuesday.
Hey, our company car, hey, mechanics. Our company car, you didn't see.
You see the company car, Honda bike. Where are you in the Bazuva? The company car.
This one here.
The Honda bike. Hey, Honda bike.
Kule Jones is the owner.
Oh, they're Kule Jones.
They're Kule Jones. The old man who is sitting.
Honda bike.
Madonna is not going to hold the bike.
This is our company car. Still strong. We service it every moment. Each and every day.
This is an antique man.
After drinking Clarks,
I'm going to badara Fuji over. We still have it. It's in our archives.
of the Clarks family.
Clarks family.
Clarks family.
Yeah. Clarks you prefer.
Clarks me prefer.
Yeah. And you get noise. You get as a druid. I want Mundi Kondiru.
I had to go through. I had to go through.
Don't start out.
I had to go through. Yeah, I had to smart Minox. Good on the code free. Yeah, I'm not going to get code free. I had to noise in Bahrain. Look, I ain't very nary you.
Mama,
I took the code free.
Jingo.
Yeah.
Jingo.
Yes.
Mutaura ndinonzani mutauriro mbomira mira initozanini
Ghetto Crown King.
kana kuti chi
Nan Punani King.
yeah the Punani King inokanga
Yeah. Madvinox. I don't think God video. I just didn't move the fight. You're God video. Read a message.
my wife sprinkle
I need
proper ande umberi ande musamsamireka pane zviri kuitika musamire vakomana
Komdara Mbata.
ukuona mudhara mbata uyu mbata uya kuno taura mbata uya kuno mira nemupana uyu mira nemupana uyu mbata mira nemupana uyu aiwa mira mudhara mira nemupana uyu mutaura kuti muningi nawo nyi ndiani saba mbata airidzira Thomas Wapumu drama
Mfana yairizira Thomas Mabisa.
Mbata saba mbata.
Inini ndairidza magitari kamda. Ndikutogara
Pankana kuseru. Yeah, Clarks we prefer.
Clarks we drink.
yakarwa neclarks.
Anyway,
You don't know what Clarks. Kokaipa me.
Sakaita sensitive naye bosi.
Kokaipa.
Arikuti mnamuroisa clarks vanigiriri. Pateo live vision.
Aiwa, anorowa ndo zvaari.
Ndaramba ndamuna unoroisa clarks.
Brinko. Rastingo. Mamona remaka yaniti. Ambo yazoti visitira na Elder Farai Shambani.
Ndine mvunzo.
Mafanza ake.
Man Mike Heineke.
Yes, fella.
What can you say? When is there a chance of having marijuana legalized, especially here in Zimbabwe?
The chances are very slim.
Why?
Because marijuana, as far as I know, it is used for medicinal purposes, you know.
Right?
Yes, as far as I know.
Why not legalize something used for
Because-
medicine?
Because people tend to abuse the herb for a drug. You see it now.
And you don't have to be
So
held for free.
chances are there is no way it can be legalized because it will be abused.
So
Yeah,
all
that's
those
right.
songs, all those messages are just going to be dead and buried.
Which message is you talking?
Legalize marijuana.
Well, you know, this is music coming from people of different kinds of walks of life.
But we are one people. We are we are one people.
Yeah, we are one people. Yeah, but this is someone who is in Jamaica.
Yes.
We are in Zimbabwe.
Right.
So
What's the difference?
the difference is
They are in the middle of the sea, in the ocean. Or
well,
something.
our beliefs and their beliefs are more or less different. You know.
So our cultural values do not make us want to legalize marijuana, or it's our constitutional values.
No, it's not cultural value. You are right in that manner. Because from way long, marijuana has been used by our ancestors.
And it